In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of a PNG image in Figma. If you're looking to revamp your design or simply want to experiment with different hues, you've come to the right place. First things first, you'll need to log into your Figma account. Once you've done that, navigate to the PNG file or photo that you want to modify. Selecting the right image is crucial because this will be the canvas for your color transformation. After you've made your selection, take a look at the bottom of your screen. There, you'll find an option labeled Actions. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Plugins and Widgets. This section is like your toolbox, where you'll find various resources to enhance your designs. What you want to look for is something called Color Overlay. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and choose that option. Just remember that installing the Color Overlay tool is essential for this process, so don't skip this step. Now that you have the color overlay at your disposal, return to your PNG image. Here's where the fun part begins. You can now decide what new color you want to apply. If you already have a specific shade in mind, you can use its hexadecimal code. For instance, if you're going for a bold, striking red, you'll need to enter its hex code. But if you don't have a particular code ready, don't worry. Look for a color selection box on the right-hand side. This feature allows you to browse through a spectrum of colors and choose one that catches your eye. Once you've settled on the perfect color, the final step is to click the Colorize button. This action will apply your chosen hue to the PNG image, integrating it into your design seamlessly. And there you have it. Your PNG image now sports a fresh new color, effortlessly enhancing your project. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily change the color of any PNG image in Figma, enabling you to explore different visual styles and moods. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, this method is straightforward and effective. So go ahead, experiment with it, and let your creativity shine.